Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase your low audio your video in CapCut. So if you have a low sound in your video, you can increase the audio easily in CapCut PC. Alright, so for example, I'm just going to add the video. Just say this video with low audio, and you can encourage the audio. Just select audio and just for volume. To increase, just swipe to the right, and for decrease you can swipe to the left. So you can listen again, you can listen the sound again, but I won't play the video because it's copyrighted. So that's how you can increase your video with a low volume. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.